Welcome Finance Simplified. Some people say money grows in the stock market like fruits on a tree. Lemon, but the reality is very different. Let's see 5 funny myths versus reality. Myth 1. Myth. Stock market is gambling game. Reality. With the right knowledge and planning, it's investment, not gambling. Myth 2. Myth. Only rich people can invest money. Bag. Reality. You can start with as little as $1 or 100 rupees. Myth 3. Myth. Stock market makes you rich overnight. Car. Reality. In truth, it requires patience and time. Myth 4. Myth. Stock market is too risky. High voltage. Reality. Diversification helps control the risk. Myth 5. Myth. You need to be Einstein to understand the stock market. Brain. Reality. With basic knowledge and guidance, anyone can learn. These were 5 funny myths and their reality. If you liked this claymation video, don't forget to like, thumbs up and subscribe bell.